So then you guys can also adjust the brightness. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but you can adjust the brightness really bright, and you can also go really low. So you got like an orange glow, and you can go even lower, way down. There's so much you can do. So you can select different color modes as well. So we got tons of different color modes. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are unboxing this wake up alarm light clock. It has a sunset simulation, multiple natural sounds. Overall, looks pretty nice. I know I'm excited to test this out and see how well it works. Alright, so in the box, you get a manual. You get the device itself. It actually comes protected. You get charging cable and power cable. It is USB. They provide you with the plug, so that is a plus. Not all companies do that. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can show the features to you guys better. You guys know when you watch my videos, you get a real user experience. There's no scripted going on here. This is a first time use. So first time checking it out, because I like to give you guys a first time experience. So if we pull that, the battery's probably inside there, internal battery. Let's see here, you got USB charging, so you can charge a device with a USB. So if you have your cell phone, you can charge your cell phone. This just gets plugged into the DC port. And you can plug this into any USB port that you want, or you can use this. So if you want to use a power bank, you can go ahead and do that to power this. You don't have to have it in the wall. So you can take this with you camping and other areas. And just to demonstrate that, we're going to go ahead, take our power bank here, plug this in. Let's go ahead and see. So we got all these different features. So yeah, this is going to be one of those things that you want to check out and read your manual completely, because you have a ton of different features here. Music. Let's go ahead and turn off some lights. So there's a bunch of different sounds. You have radio. So yeah, the radio works actually really well. You got your volume and tune, dimmer, so you can actually change the brightness of the clock itself. Let's see, you got alarm that you can set. This is really nice. I like this so far. So this would be at nighttime, and check this out, guys. That is so beautiful. Wow. The camera's not showing how beautiful the color really is. Like, you guys can't see the time, but I can see the time. So this is really nice. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. My friends, this is so beautiful. So then you guys can also adjust the brightness. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but you can adjust the brightness really bright, and you can also go really low. So you got like an orange glow, and you can go even lower, way down. There's so much you can do. So you can select different color modes as well. So we got tons of different color modes. Brightness for the color modes. So you can have it low. This is really, 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 really nice, my friends. I really like this a lot. This is so cool. So guys, check out your manual for more features, but I mean, it's beautiful, and the camera can't do justice. The camera can pick it up when I have it on low, but I mean, it's stunning. It's really stunning. Overall, really nice, my friends.